So this is supposed to be like the peak of the wind event. I figured I'd make a little quick 5-minute video and show you guys. It's not terrible, not as bad as they said, but we've had a couple pretty good gusts. Like I said, not horrible yet. That wind vane up there is going crazy. Yesterday I measured a peak of 15 miles an hour. I honestly haven't looked today, but it hasn't. No damage that I know of yet. See, it gets like this real calm, and then kind of out of nowhere, you'll get a good gust. Back and catch a good one. I don't know if you can see those bending over very good. Yeah, we'll see if we can come back and catch a good one. Palm tree going like crazy. I don't even know how good this microphone is, if you can hear the wind blowing or not. I mean, you can hear the wind chime going. Alright, well, I think we've been out here long enough. I don't think we're going to catch a big one. Probably as soon as I shut the camera off, we'll get one, but anyway, this is supposed to be the worst of it, and it's not bad. Got all worked up for nothing.